core system libraries failing because of the Registry Server 32 Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. To start our guide for Registry Server 32 Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Registry Server 32 Library, the core library for the regsvr32.dll utility, responsible for the dynamic registration and unregistration of OLE controls and DLLs in the Windows registry. While users call the .exe, this library houses the logic. If corrupted, the system cannot register new software components, leading to widespread class-not-registered errors in third-party applications. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Registry Server 32 Library DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Registry Server 32 Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Replacing Registry Server 32 Library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Registry Server 32 library-related documentation. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Registry Server 32 Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.